Hello everyone, my name is Osaro Sophia and you're welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be making an ace auto gele, and for a start I'm going to be using the Sego material. I already made the base. I have a video already on how you can make an auto gele base. You can go check it out. So on this base I already added some few plates on top, making the ace on top of the base. And now I'm going to cut out a circle about 42 inches long and 20 inches wide. This is what I'm going to be using for making the ace. I'm going to fold it into two equal parts and place that middle part at the middle of the base like so, and I'll join it to the base using a needle and thread. I'll join it around the base. For the full auto gele I'll be making today, I'll be using two pieces of a normal Sego a tie. Two piece. A piece is about 2 yards, so I'm using two pieces of it for both the base. So now guys, you can see the piece is already joined to the base. Now I'm going to start making plates with that piece and make plates on this particular side first. I make from one side before I go to the other side, and as I make the plate I join with the needle and thread at the edge close to the hand. That's where I'll join the plate together. I'll sew it with the needle and thread. As I sew to make it firm and strong. You can notice the plate is already on this particular side. I'm going to finish making the plate first on this side before I go to the other side. Now guys, you can see I'm through with the making of the plate on this particular side. Now I'll go to the other side and do the same way I did for this side before I'll start folding like fan like to give me this shape. So I'll arrange the middle as I make the plate on the other side. I'll make sure I arrange to give me that A shape. That is ace shape. That's why this style is called an ace shape, because of the way it's standing at the top. Now I'm going to also join the plates together at the bottom close to the end of the base. Down there I'll join it with a needle and thread. And now this I've made the plates. Now I'll start making the fan like plates upwards to give me this shape, this fan like shape on the other side. These are I'm going to start making it. As I fold, I join to the plate with the needle and thread. Then I'll make another fold again. I'll join to the plate with the needle and thread till I get to the end of the base, to the bottom of the base. That's how it's been done. I'll continue the process to the end till all the remaining piece is exhausted. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how I made my ace auto gele with Sego. Hope you liked my video and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for watching today's video. Please stay tuned and remain blessed.